Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Okay, let's start the process. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own faceless YouTube channel and how you can monetize it and you can start earning. I'll explain everything step by step. So stay with me. In this video we will create 60 shots in 60 minutes which you can upload for 60 days, means you can cover your 2 months. These shots you can create by using only two applications, ChatGPT and Canva. Steps are very simple and easy. Step 1. Create your bucket list. There will be 6 buckets and under each bucket there will be 10 shots. Let's go to YouTube. This YouTube channel is only uploading shorts, getting a lot of million views and already got monetized within few months and now it started earning. He is uploading only simple and short facts like psychology facts, crush facts, girls facts. Let's go to the step 2. We are going to ChatGPT. Just click on it. Here we go. We need to sign up or sign in. If you already have an account, so you need to sign in, or if you don't have an account, you need to sign up. My Gmail ID is already logged in, so I'm going to continue with Google. So we are in. So we need to type it like this, and we already submitted 2 codes as a reference, that what sort of codes, what sort of facts we are looking for. So ChatGPT will give us exactly the similar codes. As you see, we already got 10 facts, so I just want to convert it into Excel, so I'm writing it down like convert this file into Excel. I will download this file from here. Step 3. Step 3 is like we need to come into this Excel sheet, and here you can see that there are 2 columns where they have written first part of the code and second part of the code. This file is already saved in our system now. Now I came back on this page again. So because I want to get the title for these facts, so I'm just typing it, write the title for all these effects. So it gave me all the title which is best for these facts which I can use on my video. So I'm coming here, I'm adding one column as title and I'm pasting it here. So as you see, my 10 facts is already ready. I have title, I have first part of the fact, I have second part of the fact. So one sheet is ready. Let's go to ChatGPT again because I want to get more facts. So I'll copy and I'll repaste the same stuff, but I am changing what sort of facts I'm looking for. Psychology fact, girl fact, boy fact, what sort of facts I'm looking for. Using ChatGPT, I will create all my files. I will create all my 60 facts from here, but it will be on different topics, not on the same one. So I will download all the files. So as you are saying that I am downloading it directly from here, there is no efforts I'm using. I'm just using ChatGPT, and it is very easy that you can create your own shorts, you can create your own facts within few seconds. See, I have got another file. I'm doing all the adjustments. Let's go to ChatGPT again. So in this way you can easily create your facts, first part and second part of your fact. You can easily get your titles from ChatGPT, and then you can create one file where you can save all of your facts. So here you can see that I already created different facts on different topics. So my 60 facts is already ready with their title, with first part of the fact with second part of the fact. So we can usually call it quotes as well. Now step 4. Okay, so here I'm using Canva. First what I will do is I'll just type quotes in the search bar, and then it will give me different sort of videos. Okay, let's go to search bar. So you need to type quotes or YouTube quotes. So here you are seeing different projects, different videos. So type YouTube quotes or quotes. Okay, first what I will do is I will select all the videos which I like for my facts. While I'm marking it star, so means I am adding it into my favorites or star videos. So later on I'm not coming here, I'll just go to the stars videos and I'm just start creating my videos. Okay, so here you can see that there are star mark. So I already have a lot of videos which I have used for my different facts for my different videos. Okay, choose one video and then step 5. Okay, I'm going to select this video. Okay, so we are going to edit this video. So this video is not more than 10 seconds. First we are going to check like the time of this video, the duration of this video, because we need to split time between first line of our quote and second line of our quote. Okay, I'm changing the writing over here, so you can change it as per your choice. Okay, so the title is love fact. I'm checking different colors, which color is like more prominent. I'm adding subheading over here where I'm going to type title of that fact. Just copy it and paste it here, then we will adjust. Okay. Now we will copy first part of the fact. Then we will paste it here. I'm just dragging it to increase the time of this shot. So I have added this first line of our fact here. I'm just trying to adjust. Okay. So here I'm changing my channel's name. Now I will set the time period for first part of the fact and second part of the fact. So now I'm going to add second part of the fact. So I will adjust the timing for this site as well. Okay, let's play and see. Okay, so as you are saying that we have first part of our code on the first 3 to 4 seconds of our video, and there is 1 or 2 seconds gap, then we have added our second part of fact. I'm going to add some emojis over here. So now I'm going to save it. So our shot is already ready. It's going to save in my downloads. You can select different sort of fact thoughts, and then you can select videos according to your thoughts. Now I will select one more video and I will edit that video as well. I have selected this video, so I will do the same thing which we did earlier. Okay, so I'm going to add heading as love facts. Then I'm doing some other changes for writing. Now I'm going to copy first part of our fact. Okay, so I'm going to adjust again the timing. Then second part of our fact with some little space. I'm trying to adjust it. Let's play it again and see. Okay, so now I'm going to change here my channel name. So you can choose different topics to create your facts, different videos, and short is the best way to engage with more people if your channel is new. So short is the best way to connect with more people and to get more views, and your channel will be monetized within few months and you will start earning. So I'm saving this short as well, because first I will create all my shorts and then I will start uploading on YouTube. Then I will also show you how you can upload on YouTube. So I'm going to save it here. I'm just naming it so later on I will understand that these are the love facts or some other facts with the name, so it will be easier. So you can create different folders as well for the understanding. So I will show you now how we have created video. See, our love fact is ready for the upload. So there is, as you see, that there is a gap between first line of our fact and second line of our fact, which will create interest into our audience, and they will stay on your channel. Okay, I came on YouTube again. So I have created a new channel to upload these shorts, because I want to show you after 30 days some reviews. Then after 30 days we will see how many views we got, is our channel monetized or not. So it will give you a better idea. So now I will upload it here. Okay, I have selected my shot. I will just write a title for this shot. Okay, so I have given some title. Then I'm going to add some hashtags. So for shorts, you must need to select hashtag shorts, SHORT as shorts. So this is the best hashtag for all of shorts. Okay, so I will add little bit description. I will copy the same my title and I will add it here. I don't have any playlist because it's very new channel, so you can create playlist as well. So here I'm going to choose no, it's not made for the kids. Then next, there is no copyright. Short is uploaded. So in this way you can upload all your short one time, once in a month, and you can schedule it for your whole month. You can select date and timing. See, I have uploaded some shorts and these are not uploaded, these are not public. I have scheduled it for all coming days with dates and timings, so it will automatically upload. So I'm not coming to my YouTube until my shorts is over and I need to upload more shorts, or I need in between I want to add some new video, because I already have a lot of data now. Previously I already explained you how you can create your own YouTube channel. In my description I will also add link of that video to see how you can create your own YouTube channel. And in this way you can easily create 60 shorts in 60 minutes, and you are free for 60 days for 2 months. Your channel is already having a lot of data, and every day you no need to come, you can do all this in one day. You can upload all your shorts and schedule it. As you are saying, I'm showing you like my shorts is already on my YouTube channel. If you need any other information, kindly comment on this video. I will explain you in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel for all informative and new videos. Thank you.